welcome to my channel. I am Callie and welcome to today's vlog. I'm excited for the day because it is Saturday and it's 10:42. I just got home from the gym and now I have a couple things to do today. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a shower, make breakfast, and then I also have to go to a bloggers meetup event later today at 3 p.m. and this event is really just to connect with local blogger girls in my area, and I'm really excited for it, and I want to get you guys as much footage as possible, so bear with me on that if I don't get too much, but I'm gonna try my best. And I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Make sure you're subscribed as always so you can see me every Friday. But with that, let's get into the vlog. Alright guys, so I just got ready for my event. So what I am wearing is pretty much all denim. This denim jacket is from Forever 21. This bodysuit, it's high neck pink. I think I got it from Forever 21. And then these jeans are from TJ Maxx and the sandals are from Charlotte Russe, I believe. And then this purse is from Steve Madden. It's like my favorite color. Obviously, I like pink if you couldn't tell. But yeah, so we're just gonna go to this blogger event. I'm super excited to see all my girlfriends. I am so happy to see them again because they are just so fun and it's just so awesome being with like-minded individuals like you. And honestly, you just can't beat that. So yep, I'm all ready and I'll take you guys with me. Alright, so here's the full look head to toe. I loved ripped jeans. They are my fave. These sandals are so cute. They're like studded. And we are off. Oh my gosh, so I finally made it to the event. It was so hard to get here. I don't know why, but I live an hour away from St. Louis, which is where I'm at now, and it was a struggle getting here because there are like so many one-way roads. Like you can't park there, you can park there, but you can't park there for so long. I don't know, but it was the hardest thing because I'm over here trying to like find a parking spot, and then also the interstate. I got on the wrong interstate and then I got on the right interstate and then it was the wrong interstate. I don't know. So I finally got here, but such a pain. And my number one trick whenever you are on a road trip or if you have a long commute to work or something, I literally just want to snack all the time, and usually I want to snack on candy or something. That's never a good idea. So I bought these whole natural almonds, and I don't know what it is about Great Value whole natural almonds. I only like these almonds. Like I will not eat any other almonds because I don't like them. So I snack on these, and then I also drink this monster of a water. It is 50 fluid ounces, which is 1.5 liters of water, and I'm on my third one today, so I'm doing pretty good about drinking water. But that's my pro tip, because from my house to my work is an hour, and then from work to class, which I have to go 3 times a week, is another hour, and then from class to my house is another hour. So I am in the car a lot. So podcasts and snacking is definitely my go-tos whenever I have long commutes. But I think I see some of my blogger friends, so I'm gonna go walk down the street, see if that's them, and I'll take you guys with me and we'll see what's going on.
What? So do you guys want
Cheers.
your stuff in the picture?
Hey guys, okay, so we just got done with the first location, and pretty much it's just like a bunch of different locations. So I'm like hustling around to make it. I have like 2 minutes and I have to find a parking spot, and these one-way roads are still killing me. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we are here at the second location with all my gals. Say hey! Which one is
is my aesthetic.
Do either the
Be a hey girl. You're looking good.
think you should
Ooh, girl.
Thanks, man.
I was going for 2.
That's the one that's it.
It's all about the
Oh,
pic.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the
really
pic.
complements the colors.
Behind the scenes of Instagram. Okay, so after a couple outfit changes and a couple different places we had to go for our event, we are finally at our last place. I think I've been doing this for about 2 hours, just kind of hopping from place to place, but now we are at a place called Wild Carrot, and it's actually an event space. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna see how it is, but literally all the girls and all the shops are amazing. Like, they are just so fun, and they're small businesses, which is also great. We can help support them. But honestly, this whole thing has been so much fun, just getting together with all the blogging girls, because like I said before, it's just awesome just hanging out with everybody. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go inside and I will talk to you in there. Okay, I'm here with Melina. She is one of my fave vloggers. Say hi. But she also has a YouTube channel.
I do, and you guys should actually go subscribe and follow.
Yes, I'll link her down below.
Yay!
But
Thank you.
you're welcome. It's kind of funny because we were literally just like, oh yeah, we have to go home and film a YouTube video after
Yeah,
this.
no, actually right after this I'm going home to film, so.
You are so funny. Go
Get
check
at
her
me!
out. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest event space. We got our drinks. That looks amazing. And then some water. But oh my goodness. So everybody is doing their thing right now, and it is literally the cutest event space ever. Like, there is a little couch, and then like they have so many lights. Let me turn you around. Like, there's the bar, and then you can go upstairs and it's more space. There's a little couch, little garage door that opens, and it's just very like vintage, and all the lights. Literally so cute. Alright guys, so I'm back in my car, and that is gonna conclude today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry that it was so random, but I really just wanted to take you guys along with me just during the day and see what it's like as a blogger and YouTuber. And I do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, hit the subscribe button because I always appreciate it. Give me a big like if you did like this video, and with that, I'll just see you guys next Friday. Bye.